Gold scaled towards the fresh highs and the all-time highs now at 30.40 today, while silver is showing a little struggle at 34.25. That is what we had seen yesterday. That 34.25, as we have discussed, has provided a greater resistance. What to expect today? Big day today. The interest rate decision from Fed and the rate cut projections. That is what we all will be watchful of, the projections by Fed and how it is going to impact where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today. We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, before the data releases. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till gold on the hourly charts consistently taking the support, bouncing from 20 period moving average. Here also taking the support and bouncing back. Now this red line is the long-term trend line on the hourly charts. It is trying to break this, which is a good sign for, and now if you see it is staying above 30.42, you can initiate a buying entry, but then 30.48.50 should be the first resistance, and in fact I'll say 30.48, 30.52 should be the resistance zone, which if it breaks, we can look forward to another round of rise, which can in fact take the prices all the way towards 30.70 levels. So this is something we should watch out for, how it behaves at 30.48.52 zone. That is the first point. Now see this taking the support, it is trying to bounce back, and now we have to wait for it to confirm for another breakout here beyond 30.42. We can initiate a buying entry. Stochastic rising, MACD is right now trading bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is rising here. Coming to similar is the observation here on the 2-hour chart. See, it is breaking beyond this resistance zone 30, 40, 38 levels, provided it a very good resistance so far, and it is breaking beyond this. See, taking the support, trying to rise. This could lead to another round of rise here. Be mindful of this. This could lead to another round of rise, and that is why I say 30.42 should be a good resistance. Beyond this, you can expect it to move all the way towards 30.48.50 zone, 52. Also notice the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. It tried to converge, failing to do so, trying to again stay in this bullish channel. The stochastic is rising, the MACD is rising, the RSI is again entering into overbought zone and staying overbought for a while now. Coming to 3 hour, similar is the observation here on the 3-hour charts. See this, higher lows, higher highs. The lows of this channel is now close to 30.20, 30.10 zone, and bearishness for the week is only and only if you see gold trading below 29.80. As long as it stays above 29.80, do not treat this as bearish. Pretty clear here. Stochastic staying overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. So things are definitely staying overbought here for gold, and right now it is not showing any signs of reversal. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observations. See support here, then this breakout run, and it is trading with this higher highs, higher lows. Looking upwards beyond 30.48.52, you can look forward to another round of rise here. Be mindful of this. Stochastic is staying overbought, so things are definitely staying overbought here for gold. Look at the 4-hour chart. See, this is the time when we had seen the reversing. Again, it has come back to the same zone, and this increases the possibility of a reverse. RSI extremely over. And on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, the support here, then this rise here, trading in this bullish channel, looking upwards. What has happened now? See, after a bit of consolidation and a resistance from 30.38, we have seen it now breaking. Now on the 4-hour charts, this trend line is pretty important, and thus if you see it is staying above 30.42, 30.44, you can initiate a buying entry, and then the nearest resistance is towards 30.48.52 zone. That should hold on. The stochastic definitely is overbought. The MACD is also near to top, and the RSI is overbought here on the 4-hour charts as well. Coming to on the daily charts, if you look at, see, after consolidating here, it is trading bullish, looking upwards, and this is almost at the top of the channel. At the same time, one must note it has formed a very good support now at 29.80, only below which we can expect the bearishness to prevail. What is happening here? Increasing body size after this, and this is the third candle in formation. If it trades beyond 30.48.52 zone, the possibility will be very high that we may see gold striking at 30.70 zone. Be mindful of this. Yes, it is trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The stochastic, things are getting overbought here, but the MACD has still room for upside, and the RSI is overbought. So considering this now, before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now first thing is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy. If you see Gold is staying above 3042-44 zone. If at all it stays above 3042-44, stay bullish for 3048-52, the first target levels, and staying beyond 3052. Ideally, I'll be looking forward to 3066 and 3070 levels. This is going to be the next target. Staying above 3070, stay bullish for 3085, 3100, 3150. Appears difficult, but it is not showing any signs of reversal, and the trend is still bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts, staying with the support from the 20 and 50 period moving average. Very important for it to trade below 3380 now, only below which you can say now the bears are taking over. Else, as long as 3380 is not taken, and then you can say that it is still staying bullish, looking upwards. You can see what has happened. It is formed a very good base at 3385.90, retracing here, trying to bounce back again. 34.20.25 on the upside is the zone beyond which you can say now the bulls are taking over. Else, right now it is consolidating in a zone. Stochastic at top, MACD is bearish here, trying to converge, not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat, trying to look upwards. On the 2-hour charts, and you see similar observation on the 2-hour chart, see 20 period is offering a very good support, and thus it is pretty important for silver to trade now below 3390, 3380 zone, which should be an extremely strong support zone. The stochastic rising, the MACD is right now bearish, it is not yet crossed over on the buy side. It is still under retracement. RSI running flat. On the 3-hour, the observation is more or less same here on the 3-hour charts, taking the support from the 20 period. Price is trying to break out, and thus if you see it is staying above 34.20.25, stay bullish. We can look forward to a greater rise. Remember, after this rise, it is consolidated. It is waiting for a, and thus as long as now, see on the downside, staying below 3390, 3380 zone, 3360, 3340 are the two key support levels. Only and only if it breaks below the zone at 3360, 3340 for the day, for the week, it will turn bearish. Else, right now it is pretty much bullish, taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over, trading with modest bearishness as of now. The RSI is flat here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation here, higher lows, higher highs, trading in this bullish channel here. See, after taking the support, it is trying to bounce back. Very important for now for silver to trade below 3390, 3380. Remember, a drop below 3390, 3380 should invite more bears out here, and then the prices may take a slump. But right now the signals are not pretty much encouraging for the bears. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is right now after the crossover, trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI is running flat. Coming to now, notice what has happened on the daily chart. See, first rise, then the retracement, a bounce back candle has appeared. Notice the size of the body here. It is less than 50% of the complete move, which suggests that the bulls are not very much interested in keeping the prices elevated. Second thing is higher lows. Today again it has started on a bullish note, and now on the upside 32.20, 34.20, 25, if it breaks, we can look forward to 34.50 levels, and if 34.50 is taken, stay bullish in silver. We are looking forward to 34.85, $35 level, the next target, and beyond 35 it is going to deliver a massive round of rise here. See, rise, retracement, a breakout here should lead to a stronger move on the upside. The stochastic is overbought here. MACD is still looking upwards and have lot much of room on the upside, and the RSI is rising. So considering this, what I'll recommend, a buying entry has to be ideally now about 34.20, 25. But since this is little far, if you see silver, that is the lower price, trading above 34.10, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect 34.20, 25 first, and then 34.50 levels. Beyond 34.50, no looking back. 34.85, 35 next. 35.50 and 36 is also possible, because once it breaks out, it may deliver a stronger move. On the downside now, the selling entry is at 33.90. When you see the higher price below 33.90 80 zone, you can expect a greater correction all the way towards 33.50.40, and if 33.50.40 is taken, stay short for $33 levels. Below 33 is where the greater correction awaits. Though the stance right now in silver is moderately bullish here, not yet confirming a breakout on the upside or on the downside, and thus you have to wait for the key levels to be taken in order to confirm a direction. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session, before the major Fed event. That will give you a clear picture of what to expect from metals with the US session and with the rate cut, interest rate decision, and the rate cut projections. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.